Saving money is not your thing, huh? You ever look at your bank and wonder where it went? Like, where did all of it actually go? Do you even know what you pay for each month? How many subscriptions are just sitting there? When was the last time you checked? Here is something that might hurt a little. The average person wastes $3,200 a year. That is on stuff they forgot they signed up for. Streaming services they never watch anymore. Gym memberships collecting dust since January. Apps that charge monthly and you never open. That money just disappears and nobody notices. Life Admin was built to fix this. It is a free app for your phone. You add every bill and subscription in one place. It shows you exactly what leaves your account. You see everything organized and clear. It even reminds you before things charge. No more surprise payments hitting your account. No more digging through emails to find receipts. No paper piling up on your counter. No pencil scribbles you cannot read later. Just your phone and everything you need. It goes wherever you go. You finally feel like you got this. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you always forget to cancel. Life Admin is free in the App Store. 1 minute to set up. One place for all your bills. To do it.